What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Caleb Isom here for another video, and this is my first tutorial or how-to video, and this is how to make your introduction video for your YouTube channel free, simple, and easy. Yes, like I said, free. You don't have to pay all this big money or have to go to all these big websites. All I use is Canva. Now, I want to state this in the beginning. Canva had this thing called the Pro option where you have to pay for certain features, but they still have a ton of great free resources that you can use for free. So I'm gonna teach you how to create an introduction video free. Um, Here's one I previously created for my podcast, and basically I'm gonna recreate it for you. So first thing first is you want to create a Canva account, and then once you come to Canva website, you want to type in YouTube channel art. And click this click the YouTube channel art. Create a blank YouTube banner. Now I'm finna create a simple one. You can, tweak it how you want to. I just wanted to create it quick and easy for y'all. So the first thing is first is create a background. You can go right here at background and pick any of these great background options, or you can do what I did. I had uploaded a picture and used my picture as my background. So I used that, upload a picture, and I, click the picture. And once you click the picture, double click it, and then hit set image as background. Boom. Now, first thing is first, on the very first page, you want to have like a picture of yourself or whatever your niche is. So me, I'm gonna put a picture of myself, which I did the same thing, upload a picture. And then once you get your picture on, you just want to make it look good. After that, you want to put your words on your page. Click text. And they got many different options you can go through. Like I said, I wanted to create this something quick for y'all to see, but y'all can come in here and tweak it the way y'all want. So I'm just going to click add a heading. Put sketching the blueprint podcast. So move that up, tweak it how you want to, make it smaller. Boom, boom. Then you want to add like a subheading. Put like by your name or whatever you want to do. And maybe move this down some, and then add a little body of text. You want this to be like what your YouTube channel is about. So I'm just gonna make some up: fitness dash food dash fashion. Right here, and you got your different colors, your bold, italics, and different effects here. You can create it bigger, smaller. So once you get your words, you want to animate the words. So basically, like how the words show up or pop up on your page. For this, we're gonna use Tumble, something quick. Put it on all your words. So boom, that's your first page. So your second page, you want to I think you should, create keep the same color, but if you want to switch it up, you can. But right here for me, I'm just gonna keep the same color. And all you gotta do is click the picture again, double click it, and instead of hitting set image as background, hit apply colors to page, and then delete the picture. Now this is gonna be more so like your follow me type page. So first off, let's find a phone. You want to go to elements and click, iPhone template or whatever, and you get the phone. Now you want to screen record a video of you liking the pictures on your Instagram page. Me already done it. So you'll upload it again, and then you'll just put the screen recorded video into the phone, so it looks realistic. And this is the example of you screen recording your page and just liking a few pictures. After that, we'll put some words like, connect with me on, Instagram. Maybe move that up there. And then go to elements again and type in Instagram. And then probably, put this one. Get this picture. And make it smaller. And then, just put your name right beside it. Text. Subheading. Move it right beside it. And it don't want to cooperate with me right now. Yeah, delete that. Add, I'll add SOL 10. Then after that, you want to go back to elements and put like a subscribe to me on YouTube or whatever. We're just gonna put an old-fashioned one. This one right here is good. To get them to subscribe, basically. And then you want to click arrow. Click arrow. And you want something like this that's going, basically press the button. So you want something like that. Get them to click the button. So you got, connect with me on Instagram right there. Then you got subscribe and your click button right there. That's all you need. Now, you want to animate the words as well on this page. We're going to do the same thing. We use tumble. Now, if you want to change the length of your intro video, right here is where you can do it. You just click timing or whatever. We're going to leave it at 5 seconds. And you can change the timing on each one, but we're just going to leave it on 5 seconds on both of them. And then this is what you got. And that's it. So basically, like I said, I wanted to create a simple one. You could tweak it up, like make the words look better, or animate it to something different on your own time. But like I said, that's it. And all you have to do is hit share, download MP4 video. Once you save that you can add music to the video. That's how you add the music to your video once you save that. But that's it. Like I said, this is my first tutorial video. I know I'm a little rusty, but I'm gonna get better. But if you enjoyed that video, like, comment, subscribe, and follow me for more videos. Thank you.